software to convert PSD files into MBOX format. And are you searching for a trusted solution online? Corbett Software PST to MBOX Converter, perfect tool to bulk convert all mail client PSD files into MBOX format. Now let's check out the main features of this tool. Bulk convert PSD files to MBOX format. Option to convert specific PSD files into MBOX format. Maintains 100% data integrity of your converted PSD files. Perform advanced search with filters like date to, from, subject address etc. Let's install and run the tool. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Data Files option. Then select Outlook PST/OST files from showing pop-up window. Now select Choose from a folder. Select your PSD file from your system. Click on Open button. The software is analyzing files and folders from your selected PSD file. You can enable the Compact View button to view the important folder for the converting process. Select PSD file folder from left side menu pane. For load emails, click Emails to get message preview. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Select Properties option, for you see the additional information and other details of a selected email message. Message header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message, such as sender recipient date, subject, and more. The hex view lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw message preview, for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press Enter button for search. And you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. You can search in all fields like calendar and date, range, and more. Now pick the emails field you want to search information from, such name, subject to, CC, content and more. Click here to close Advanced Search option. Now go to the Export tab and select MBOX File option from drop-down menu. You can also mark the required folder and unmark the rest folder as per your requirement. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the output. Now let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. Other to create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders if you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of PSD files conversion into MBOX file format. After export is done, then click on Open Folder option. Now you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get all, and see the output. Thanks for watching.